Mother-daughter duo Judy and Carla have brand new looks.
This is what they look like before their Monday morning makeovers. Let's see them now.
Nice.
Beautiful. Oh, ladies, you look fantastic. What do you think?
What do you think?
Oh, feel great. Thank you very much.
Well, you
You
worked
feel
hard
more
for
than
it.
great because you have been like really freaking out.
No, I haven't. I'm awesome.
She's so, yeah, you look fantastic.
Thank you.
Mama-san, what do you think of what your daughter looked like?
Oh, wonderful. A whole new person.
Both of you. Yeah?
Yep, thank you.
Anything you want to say to any of your friends out there that have seen you go through this process?
I haven't thought about that.
Well, that's why I told you that. Caught you off guard.
Yes, you did. It was well worth it. It was a lot of work, but well worth it in the end.
You know, I want to say this. We do these makeovers in a couple hours, and what we went through this morning was really challenging and difficult. There's many times where they need to come back for maybe 2-3 haircuts in order for them to have what we vision them to have 3 months down the road. So for us to actually color the hair to look like the haircut and to create the shape and hair that isn't Judy's hair or Carla's hair going through the weight loss she's gone through, the transition is goes from dense to thin. So we have them now on a very good regimen for the next 3 months, and you're all excited to see what the change is going to be because you're going to be driving down to see us now.
Oh, yes, I am. You're going to be my personal shopper, too.
Personal shopper. I get to
love
go
it.
with her in the changing room.
All right,
Thanks
well,
to
they
Heather
look-
for color and everybody else here that helped this morning. It took all of us to make this happen, and love to you girls.
Yeah, and thank you so much,
You're welcome.
everybody.
Looks great. Thanks,
Rachel?
Joseph. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Doug is going to have a great morning.
After all that weight loss talk, I think it's time to work into this
Maybe
baby
you'll
right
want to
here.
share that with someone.
Watch this
It's
go.
the best burger
Ever.
ever.
Good day,
And the
everybody.
juiciest. Living with Amy is next. More recipes ahead. Good?
Oh,
Yeah.
I love sauce.
Have a good day, Wisconsin.